Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage here in Ross-on-Wye. This is our latest arrival. It's a 2015 on a 15 plate Honda Jazz ES Plus 1.3 litre engine, and it's the automatic model, 5 doors, and it's finished in urban titanium metallic. It's covered just 13,000 miles and comes with a full 6-stamp service history. Let's have a little look around. The car's had just the one private owner from new. Like I say, 13,000 miles, been serviced every year, the majority of which carried out at the Honda main agent, and the car is pretty much spotless. It really is a proper thing. Lovely colour as well. It's got the CVT automatic gearbox. The road tax is just £125 a year, so not bad for an automatic. And being the ES Plus, comes loaded with specification. Parking sensors on the rear, as you can see. Always popular, these Jazzes. They're really useful hatchbacks. Plenty of goodies, raised seating positions, so obviously better for easier accessibility. And has a couple of party pieces as well, which I'll show you as we move inside. As you can see, lovely condition, as you'd expect for the mileage. No wear at all to the seats. Come around to the door card. 4 electric windows. Has got a central locking button inside. Electric door mirrors. They are power folding as well, so you can push the button and they'll fold in. 2 remote keys. And as we move to the steering wheel, cruise control, and it does have radio controls on the other side. Automatic gearbox. We'll switch the car on, stop the beeping. That's because the seat belt's not on now. There we go. There's the mileage, 13,796, and you can scroll through, so you've got all the different bits of information. Average MPG, miles till you need to fill up, time driving, average miles an hour, and so on. And as we come around, climate control, radio CD. Nice setup, nice big buttons, easy enough to get along with. Down there we have USB and your 12-volt power outlet, and there is a little AUX port on the left hand side there. Glove box, dual glove box, so you've got one at the top and one at the bottom with all your handbooks. Into the rear, loads of space. ISOFIX points as well for the child seats, loads of headroom. Does have electric windows in the back as well, as you can see. Let's have a look in the boot. So you have a raised seating position in the front, and then a low boot at the back, so ideal for your little dogs, shopping. You haven't got a huge lip to negotiate. You do have a little compartment there with a few little bits and bobs, and then we do have underneath again further load section with extra space, loads of room, and across here you have inflation kit, locking wheel nuts, etc. And then the party piece, especially for a small hatchback. The rear seats go completely flat, which is really rare to see. Normally you have the seats go semi-flat, but you've got a big lip and everything, but this is completely flat, so really useful little car. And there we go, I think that's about all there is to it. 2015 on a 15 plate Honda Jazz ES Plus automatic, 5 doors, finished in urban titanium metallic. It's covered just 13,700 miles. One owner from new, comes with a full 6 stamp service history, and it's priced at £9,750. Finance is available from as little as £45 a week. And the car will come with a brand new full MOT, any advisories of course. We are operating now on a appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and see the car, test drive the car, which we're now doing unaccompanied, providing you bring your driving licence with you. If you would like to book in, please do give us a call, 01989 769 900. Pop us an email on sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, have a look at our website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Have a great weekend.